Are you a car owner who cherishes smooth rides and hassle-free journeys? If so, brace yourself for some shocking revelations that could potentially shake the foundation of your driving experience. Imagine cruising down the highway, wind in your hair, only to be abruptly halted by the number one car problem lurking in the shadows. Are you at risk? Let's delve into this alarming revelation and find out. Picture this: you're running errands, bustling through traffic when suddenly your car stalls. Panic sets in as you realize you're facing the dreaded number one car problem. What is it? It's none other than, drumroll, the neglected maintenance syndrome. Yes, you heard it right. Neglecting routine maintenance can lead to a myriad of issues, ranging from minor inconveniences to catastrophic breakdowns. Ignored oil changes, overlooked tire rotations, and disregarded brake inspections are just a few ingredients in the recipe for disaster. Neglecting these seemingly mundane tasks can snowball into major mechanical failures, leaving you stranded on the roadside or facing hefty repair bills. Moreover, neglecting maintenance not only jeopardizes your safety, but also diminishes your car's lifespan and resale value. Fortunately, there's a silver lining amidst this gloomy forecast. By adopting a proactive approach to car maintenance, you can thwart the number one car problem and safeguard your driving experience. Regularly scheduled maintenance checks, timely oil changes, and adherence to manufacturer guidelines can significantly reduce the likelihood of encountering unforeseen setbacks on the road. Don't wait until you're stranded with a smoking hood to take action. It's time to prioritize your car's health and well-being. Subscribe to our channel for expert tips, insightful videos, and exclusive offers that will keep you informed and empowered. Share this eye-opening revelation with fellow car enthusiasts and spread the word about the importance of proactive maintenance. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things automotive. Together, let's drive towards a future free from the number one car problem. In the fast-paced world of automotive technology, it's easy to overlook the fundamentals. However, ignoring routine maintenance can have dire consequences that extend far beyond inconvenience. By recognizing the number one car problem and taking proactive measures to address it, you can ensure smooth rides and worry-free journeys for miles to come. Subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell to join the movement towards safer, more reliable driving experiences.